Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this PDF for a curve, and they need to make an arrow that exact size, 7 millimeters, 28 by 16. Well, here's 16 wide, 28 long, and if we take the parallel dimension tool and go from that node to that node, we get 7 millimeters. It's really quite simple. Let me just delete all this. And I want to work in the center of the page in just a second, but I'm going to get my common shapes, and I've actually got an arrow that's going down, and I'm just going to draw an arrow, not necessarily caring what size it is right now. The only dimension I don't know is this kind of looks like basically a perfect triangle. See, this was done with lines. And so I'm just going to take, with the shape tool, you can take this and kind of make it like a triangle. Now immediately go to object and convert it to a curve, get rid of that red dot. Now I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, because I want to work in the center of the page. Now, the two measurements are easy. With my ratio unlocked, I'm going to make it 28 millimeters. With my ratio still unlocked, I'm going to make it 16. So now I have a 16 by 28. The only thing we don't have is the 7. More than one way to do this. Probably the best way is just take a rectangle, pretty good size, and make it 7 millimeters. And we'll make it black. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm actually going to move it up a little bit. So I'm going to hold down the control button because I want it up top. Now we've converted this to a curve. So if we get our shape tool, we can grab these two nodes, start moving and hold down the control button. Grab these two nodes, start moving and hold down the control button. The control button is not going to allow you to get offline. Get rid of our black line. And there you have a 28 long from tip to tip, 16. And if we take our parallel dimension tool, and if we did everything right, it'll be 7 millimeters. Pretty easy. I mean, there's a couple other ways to do that. And, you know, it might even be a kind of a fun project. Let's do it with math. Let's take away the black box. And let's get the parallel dimension tool and go from that node to that node. And we've got 7.81. Okay. So we need to take right here and go 0.81 divided by 2. And now that's our new nudge. Let's see if my theory works. Grab the shape tool, grab these two, nudge it over to the right. Grab these two, nudge it over to the left. Grab our parallel dimension tool, and we have 7 millimeters. That's probably the best way to do it. You know, that way you can't really be off. And then once you've got that shape, you know, you can do anything you want to, make it black, take away the outline, and rotate it 90 degrees, and you're on your way. I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.